Hey everyone, this is Tim from HDMI-CEC Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a difficult Amazon Fire Stick remote to your TV. So the easiest way to do this is if you actually have a TV remote, most of the time HDMI-CEC is turned on, so you can just control your Amazon Fire Stick with your TV remote and you can completely bypass this. But we want to go down to where it says controllers and Bluetooth, and then you just go to Amazon Fire TV remotes. And we can simply just go to add new remote right here and put your Amazon Fire Stick remote into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So just hold down the home button and this little light will appear on the remote. It'll start flashing after about 5 to 10 seconds. And then you should be able to see it on the screen in front of us. So I have an Amazon Fire TV and Fire Stick. So let's just pair this now. Go back to your TV remote, press pair. And should be connected, and you should be able to use it now. So that's probably the easiest way to connect a very stubborn remote, especially if you have a Fire TV and a Fire Stick in your house. I get these two remotes mixed up all the time. It's quite annoying. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on HDMI-CEC Studios.